Welcome to Reforge. Most men try to change their lives from the outside in. They chase new habits, new routines, new goals, hoping a different schedule will make them a different man. But real change doesn't start with what you do. It starts with who you believe you are, your identity. If you see yourself as undisciplined, every habit will crumble under that belief. If you see yourself as a man who never finishes what he starts, you'll find proof of that everywhere you look. Identity is the root system. Everything above the surface, your body, your habits, and your success grow from it. Psychology calls this the identity behavior loop, meaning your actions confirm your beliefs and your beliefs dictate your actions. It's a cycle, and it's one that can either trap you or it can free you. The science behind it is neuroplasticity. This is your brain's ability to rewire itself through repetition and emotion. Every time you take an aligned action with a new identity, your brain lays down new neural pathways. So if you tell yourself you're going to the gym and you do it, your brain begins to make the connection that says, we're someone who goes to the gym now. Each time you do this, it becomes easier and easier to be that man the next time. So when you train your body, it's not just muscle you're building. You're proving to yourself, I am disciplined, I am consistent, and I keep my word. That proof over time reshapes the mind. The mind forges a new identity. And this is why most men never change. They try to act like a new man without first believing they are one. They're literally missing the links that reinforce the behaviors. That would be like trying to build a house on sand. There's no foundation, there's no structure at all. But here's the truth. You can't outperform your self-image, but you can rebuild it. Dr. Maxwell Maltz, the plastic surgeon who wrote the book Psycho-Cybernetics, discovered this while he was changing people's faces and doing surgeries. He'd fix a scar, straighten a nose, reshape a jaw, and he noticed that some patients walked out transformed, confident and free. They literally became an entirely different person almost instantaneously. But he also noticed that he would do the same exact surgery on different people and there would be no change at all. Even though their physical face or body had changed, they still saw that ugly, disfigured person in the mirror and had absolutely zero change despite their physical appearance. And this is how powerful our self-image is. What Maltz really realized is that every man lives inside a mental blueprint of who he believes himself to be. And your nervous system doesn't argue with that picture either. It simply obeys it. If the picture says, I'm a failure, your mind will filter the world to confirm that belief. If it says, I'm disciplined, I'm focused, and I'm calm under pressure, your behavior will organize itself to match that identity. Because your brain is like a guided missile. It needs a target to lock onto. Without it, it drifts. But when you feed it a clear picture through repetition, emotion, and evidence, it will recalibrate your entire system toward that single aim. So if you program into it to look for more opportunities to make more money, you'll start noticing more opportunities to make more money. You'll start coming up with new ideas to make more money. And this is why at Reforged, we actually focus on changing your body first because we want you to understand how the system works. Each workout, each discipline choice is a message to your subconscious that this is who I am now. You're literally reprogramming your brain. And as you repeat that cycle, you'll see physical changes in your body and understand that you're not just getting in shape, you're creating a new identity as a fit man. At first, it's going to feel forced, it's unfamiliar. You're rewriting an old program line by line. But as those messages stack, the new image takes root. Neural pathways will strengthen, your confidence grows, and one morning, you'll just wake up different. You'll wake up different physically, but more importantly, you'll wake up different internally. You haven't just changed your habits, you've shifted your identity. And this is what Maltz meant when he wrote, you act, feel, and behave according to what you imagine to be true about yourself and your surroundings. If you want to become a new man, don't chase a new routine. Craft a new self-image. See him clearly, the posture, the discipline, the calm, the energy he carries himself with, as well as how he looks. Who is that man? Then live as if you were already him. Over time, as you do this over and over, your subconscious will adjust the controls until that picture is reality. Rebuilding your self-image isn't daydreaming, it's mental training. It's reps for the mind. And like the gym, consistency rewires everything. That's the work of being reforged. Through the body, we train discipline. Through the mind, we build belief. And through both, we become become unstoppable. And it starts small. It's not about grand declarations. It starts with a picture in your mind backed by small actions every day. Every time you show up to train when you don't feel like it, every time you keep a promise to yourself, you're writing a new story in your nervous system. It's not about pretending, it's about proving. When you repeat that proof day after day, something shifts. The actions that used to feel forced become natural. You stop trying to be disciplined, you are disciplined. You stop chasing motivation, you embody consistency. In philosophy, it's called becoming. It's not about adding more to yourself, it's about burning away what's false until only the truth remains. That's the work of being reforged. Through the body, we train discipline. Through the mind, we build the beliefs. Through both, we become unstoppable. So if you're tired of starting over, stop trying to change your habits and start changing your identity. See yourself as the man who shows up, the man who finishes what he starts, the man who leads himself first. Prove that identity one rep, one decision, one day at a time. That's how you rebuild yourself from the inside out. This is Reforged. Until next time, keep becoming. And remember, it's never too late to become the man that you're meant to be.